Hello mga ka-Tebes! Welcome back here at Tebes Salon and Spa, your partner for beauty. For today's video, we are here at Tebes Salon Professional. We have 3 clients for Ipanema Buyers Store and Detox Organic Premium. After hair assessment, ito ang mga recommended naming treatment para sa kanilang hair. Highly recommended namin ang Ipanema Buyers Store to moisturize, rebuild, and rejuvenate the hair, and perfect ito para sa mga color-treated hair. Ang Ipanema Buyers Store can give a 100% natural straight hair. Organic protein ito kaya long-lasting effect, FDA approved, and formaldehyde kaya safe and compatible in all hair types. Same day wash na din ito mga madam kaya no need to wait 3 days para makita ang result. At ito na ang final result after hair wash. Achieve ang 100% natural straight, shiny, and smooth. Kaya mga katebes, if you are searching for organic alternative way of rebonding, ito ang recommended namin, ang Ipanema Buyers Store Organic Protein. To moisturize, rebuild, and rejuvenate the hair and achieve ang 100% natural straight hair. What are you waiting for mga ka-Tebes? Book your appointment now here at Tebes Salon and Spa, your partner for beauty. Thank you so much Corpus family for always trusting Tebes Salon Professional.